How to change phone number in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to change the phone number of yourself, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find your profile. Now tap on to my profile, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find edit option at the top. Now tap on it. Then here you can find change number, just right here. Now select it. Now simply tap on to change number once again, just like this. Now add a new number, just like this. And after that, tap on to continue. And after doing that, you will simply change your number. And that's it. This is how you can change phone number in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.